Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, I'm 100% willing.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm 100% healthy, ma'am.
Okay. So, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Uh, I'm just in Malaysia because it's um, a beautiful country and same hours, and of course to what do you call this, for my family also.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, I'm Jubilin Galope, 41 years old. I have two children, single mom, two children, and 15 and 13. I have working experience in UAE from 2019 to 2023. I'm high school graduate also.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first, Jovelyn. When is your birthday?
April 5, 1984.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2". My weight is 61 kilogram.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
You mentioned that you are a single mother and you got two kids, which is 13 and 15 years old, right?
Yes.
Who will going to take care of these kids once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Ma'am?
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Sir.
How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
My sister is a sewing in my house, and my
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have four brothers and four sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the I'm the eldest.
You are the eldest. What about your parents?
My mother passed away like 3 years ago. My father's here also and with me.
Okay. So you mentioned that you have a working experience in Abu Dhabi way back 2019 to 2023 according to your profile also. Am I right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
You've been working there for 4 years, correct?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Abu Dhabi?
I'm number one. I'm cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, laundry, and taking care of children.
How old or how many children did you take care there?
Five children.
How old are those children?
The one is 16,
Okay.
15, 10, 6, and 4.
Okay. Are you alone inside the house or I mean are you the only helper inside the house?
Only one.
Okay, what happened? Why you decided not to continue working with this employer?
Uh, this is a finished contract, so I tried to another country. That's why.
Okay, so after 2023, you work where?
I have a mini store in my house.
Okay.
So
So you are a full-time mother after 2024 until recently, is it?
yes, ma'am.
So being an OFW is not new for you already, right? Because you already got working experience in Abu Dhabi. You need to be
Yes,
flexible, you need to be multitasking, you need to get ready yourself because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in Abu Dhabi. Malaysia employers or Malaysia, I mean the employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, I'm ready for that, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to.
Can you take your elderly people?
Uh, Maybe I'm willing.
It's a yes or no?
Yes.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare then?
I know Filipino food and at the same time Arabic food.
Okay. But you are willing to learn some new recipes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract and it's not new for you. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800, but if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sure.
We just wanted to make it clarified to you before you come to work here in Malaysia because we don't want to have such a problem later. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree about our rules and regulations, it's okay. You can come, work properly, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's okay also. Better stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yeah, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness knowing that you are a single mother and you don't have someone to rely on and you have these 2 kids? Normally, homesickness strikes you. How do you fight or how do you handle your homesickness?
Homesickness is when I'm feeling sickness. I just talk my kids when I'm in other country, and also I'm just holding my 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 what do you call this? My willingness to work there. So all there are guaranteed uh,
Okay.
guaranteed.
Okay, so Jovelyn, always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, okay? In
Okay, ma'am.
Philippines, you can be the boss, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves also at the same time, okay? Because this is not our country. We are a foreigner in outside of the Philippines, so we need to know our limits also at the same time. And we need to know what are the rules and regulations, okay? We follow the rules and regulations of the employer. We respect the culture of the employer, okay? If there
Yes,
is
ma'am.
any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you. They conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much and have a good day.